Welcome to Zany Zoo ABCs.
This is an alligator. Alligator starts with the letter A.
This is a bear. Bear starts with the letter B.
This is a cat. Cat starts with the letter C.
This is a dog. Dog starts with the letter D.
This is an elephant. Elephant starts with the letter E.
This is a fox. Starts with the letter F.
So giraffe starts with the letter G.
This is a hippo. Hippo starts with the letter H.
This is an iguana. Iguana starts with the letter I.
This is a jaguar. Jaguar starts with the letter J.
This is a koala. Koala starts with the letter K.
This is a lion. Lion starts with the letter L.
This is a monkey. Monkey starts with the letter M.
This is a narwhal. Narwhal starts with the letter N.
This is an owl. Owl starts with the letter O.
This is a penguin. Penguin starts with the letter P.
This is a quokka. Quokka starts with the letter Q.
This is a rabbit. Rabbit starts with the letter R.
This is a shark. Shark starts with the letter S.
This is a tiger. Tiger starts with the letter T.
This is a unicorn. Unicorn starts with the letter U.
This is a vulture. Vulture starts with the letter V.
This is a whale. Whale starts with the letter W.
This is an X-ray fish. X-ray fish starts with the letter X.
This is a yak. Yak starts with the letter Y.
This is a zebra. Zebra starts with the letter Z.
Welcome to the Zany Zoo ABCs channel. Please subscribe.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Please like, comment, and subscribe Zany Zoo ABC's channel.